Stop. If you're trying to build confidence by watching motivational videos, repeating affirmations, or forcing yourself to feel confident, you might be working in the wrong direction. Confidence doesn't come from positive thinking. Confidence comes from brain rewiring. And science has a clear method for that. It's called progressive exposure. Confidence is not a personality trait, it's a prediction. Before any situation, your brain asks one question: can I handle this? If your brain predicts yes, you feel confident. If it predicts danger, you feel anxiety. So confidence isn't belief, it's memory-based evidence. In psychology, there's a powerful method known as exposure therapy. The principle is simple. Stop running from fear. Face it in small, controlled doses. Repeat the process. Allow your brain to learn that the situation is not a threat. When you repeatedly face something that scares you without escaping, your amygdala, the fear center of the brain, gradually reduces its alarm response. Your nervous system adapts. Your brain updates its prediction. This is uncomfortable, but not dangerous. And where fear decreases, confidence naturally grows. The reason most people struggle with confidence is avoidance. They're afraid of public speaking, so they avoid it. They fear rejection, so they don't approach. They feel awkward on camera, so they never record. Avoidance gives short-term relief, but long-term, it teaches your brain that the situation really is dangerous. Avoidance strengthens fear. Exposure weakens it. If you want unshakable confidence, you need what's called a fear ladder. Let's say you're afraid of public speaking. You don't start on a big stage. You start small. Step 1, speak for 1 minute in front of a mirror. Step 2, record yourself on video. Step 3, speak in front of 2 friends. Step 4, a small group. Step 5, a larger audience. The rule is simple. Don't jump to the top. Your brain doesn't need shock. It needs adaptation. Stay at each level until your anxiety drops noticeably. When you remain in the situation long enough for your fear to decrease naturally, that's when rewiring happens. This process might feel slow, even boring, but this is how real confidence is built. There are 4 rules you must follow. First, start uncomfortably small. The steps should scare you slightly, not paralyze you. Second, consistency matters more than intensity. 1 small exposure every day beats 1 giant leap once a month. Third, don't escape at peak fear. Stay, breathe, let the anxiety rise and then fall on its own. That drop is your nervous system learning. Fourth, track your progress. Rate your anxiety at the beginning. Rate it at the end. Over time, you'll see the numbers go down, and your brain will see proof. Motivation says you can do it. Exposure says you've already done it. Your brain trusts evidence more than encouragement. If you want social confidence, start with eye contact. Then say hello. Then ask a short question. Then hold a 2-minute conversation. Then attend a small gathering. 2 months later, you'll still be you, but your nervous system will be trained. Here's the truth most people don't realize. Confidence does not come before action. Action comes before confidence. If you're waiting to feel ready, you'll wait forever. Choose 1 small, uncomfortable action today. Just 1. Something you've been avoiding. Don't try to eliminate fear. Train it. Unshakable confidence isn't loud. It isn't fake. It isn't forced. It's built quietly, step by step, exposure by exposure.